This is the AutoEDU hydraulic steering rig educational trainer. It's built using real OEM components, giving students hands-on experience with a complete hydraulic steering system, exactly as found in real vehicles. The trainer includes a hydraulic power steering pump, steering gear, tie rods, steering column, and a power-assisted steering rack. A real steering wheel and mounted wheels allow full operation. The transparent fluid reservoir and visible hoses make it easy to follow the hydraulic fluid flow during steering. You can observe pump operation, pressure buildup, and how hydraulic force assists turning. The rig is ideal for teaching system components, operation principles, and maintenance procedures. It's also perfect for fault simulation and troubleshooting exercises in a safe training environment. Durable construction and mounted on wheels for easy movement. This trainer is designed for long-term use in classrooms and workshops. AutoEDU, bringing real-world automotive systems into your training.